What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with another video. So we're going to be installing some new parts that I got, and including the CSF Radiator dual core. It's in the box right now. I'm going to be putting this in. I got some Eldor coils, then I got some NGK two-step coulter plugs to put in, 3.5 bar. All I know is it's able to run over 20 psi boost without having any issues. Let's get right into this install. The 335's jacked her up nicely. We're doing a radiator swap in the garage today. So we already got the fan off, the electric fan. We're just letting all the coolant drain. So we got off under pan, obviously, intercooler, and we got the fan.
Get under there. You gotta see why this is not coming off. Get under.
Single turbo, Irwin, aka German 2J. Update. Old radiators out, stock one. She's out. Irwin's gonna be unboxing it.
CSF racing. Full aluminum.
Yeah.
Big weld.
Yeah. Dual core. Still can't see shit.
Nicely packaged. These are a lot better than the cheap plastic radiators that you guys get with the plastic sides.
Fully aluminum,
this is
guys.
fully aluminum. These won't crack.
One of the main reasons I went with where is it? This exact radiator was because of
The drain
plug. A lot better than the plastic drain plug that comes in, which was leaking because of all the pressure that's building up for the boost or anything.
Well, you did have an automatic radiator.
Yeah. So now I forgot to mention this is made for a manual car, guys.
Yeah.
This old radiator was made for an automatic.
It had more ports and shit.
Jeez, look at that. Hold it steady. It's gonna be sick, guys. So we're gonna put it in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright, guys, so we just got the intercooler back in, and this is what the radiator looks like from the back side. We got the OEM fan about to be put back in. It's a process.
We're hooked up to the AMG and he's about to go and crank the single.
We're about to start her up. Ready?
It's here.
Now that we got the radiator in, we're going to be throwing in the NGK two-step coiler spark plugs. Got them all lined up right here nicely out of the boxes. It's important, guys, that when you get them, you want to get the gap tool because you want to have it gap to the specific gap, guys. It's very important because if you don't, it could be causing any misfires or what's the socket called?
It's deep 14 millimeter 12 point.
You have one of these sockets because Erwin was telling me that sometimes if you drop the spark plug right down, it could actually ruin the gap, and it's not what you want happening.
And for the BMWs, you're gonna need that special 12 point 14 millimeter socket, long socket. It's a specialty tool. So
Alright guys, so here's all 6 of the Eldor coils. Got them all lined up. All the spark plugs are gapped up. Let's try putting them in. Alright guys, so we got all the new coils in. Putting the last one in. As you see, we had to remove the exhaust because it was getting in the way for the last 3. They look fairly stock once they're in. I'm gonna finish up, put the exhaust back on, and then see how they run with the new plugs and coils, guys. Get it all ready up for the dyno tomorrow.
yes, sir.
New radiator, new spark plugs, new coils. We're gonna put the new tmap in tomorrow. Radiator, the coil packs, and the spark plugs. I'll see you guys in the next video when the Beamer, the single turbo, gets to the dyno and we start making some power. It's been Dujo, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.